Killing the hardest rap of this. The kept waiting for us just to partly map the chest. But you down phonics, I got to drop the baddest shit. And this was how jumping shit back with the big twist. So we do it just we give a style definite. They mind they go in when they style is not this. On the ears of the witness of the soul up in the spit. I told y'all we did it back in the day you wouldn't rap. Looking forward and you getting your little back. Because I can't find the truth in rap. Motherfuckers trying to line up for the booth to rap. But they can't be called. Only in the one in door. And they trying to get up to the fucking Jimmy door. We ain't getting through no Jimmy score. Opportunities open up in your mind like the window floor. But you don't drop it. Cause you can't believe it. I ain't never seen that you put up in the city. Drop it. Now you know that we flow without a doubt. And I got so much water there is no clout. East, West, North, and the South. Coming in the game, keeping this shit loud and proud. So that we can stamina. Picture me with an elephant in my backpack, rapping blunt.
Okay, we got these girls. The same size of KFC chicken birds. Oh yeah. As we move to the next, when I split these flows, I don't flex. Maybe I come through just like the hits. I don't wanna even talk about my hits. There is an X, but outmark the spot. One mark that spot, I need to see it mark. Mark one freestyle the way you used to. Now I wanna see what he is into. But there's another situation, so devastating. Get back to the microphone, you relating. While I'm relating, let's dance, I'm debating. Whether my lines are ill, maybe I'm just taking the time, but waiting on the line, but still, this is the Bible feel. But I just wanna tell you, and thus we go. What flows? Like we are peaking low. Young speakers, underground peaking low. All MCs on the mic until we can go. MCs straight through with the weakest flow. Jay Stone took 2 minutes to speak and flow. But I just wanna tell you, and yes you know, as you know, this is how we will flow. Starting a show, but every time on my touch we go. When the type of flow on the force, I'm letting you know. Look this show, fuck that I'm the we can go. Wanna be the one the fucking give you a roll so you can put it on your soul. Until you will choke, won't be so big to the light. They can never provoke, but they can end. Just like us, they can't bend. But if the freestyle is too hard, then they slack. Cause we came through with a hard flow through back. Feel right, coming to show you that you're back. Yeah, this is not for one of those who responded. Up on the block, trying to get out to the sloppy flow that he got it. Is you down while I show y'all we rockin'? Yeah, picture you. Picture what the blocks spots. All of a sudden, sailing on a yacht.
Cause we sitting on the lot. Yeah, your positions are what?
It goes up for what? I can bear on the lemon mic, never give up 90s on the top.
Cause they looking over from the floor. But if they can't let it when they go and talking to the cars.
They tried to expel me. Said I was classic on the rap like an LP.
Old school like a vinyl. Straight from my front, this is bars coming out vital.
But the vinyl is vital. That's the reason why I really recite the idol.
People get to recycle every title. They tried to fight it when they came out biting.
I'm still biting. Go back and start rewriting.
Fucking biters.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. You niggas are biters to shot. Nigga night is gonna come home with a microphone. Yeah, I keep them on striking like lightning. You can get me in the darkness. Yeah, but I know how I be striking with these watches. This target after target that I'm going to party. Shows on the slow. And just what I wanted. When it comes to all that nonsense that you're running, it's garbage. I showed them the nonsense. They're running up for knowledge. These rappers.
Their minds are on the garbage. That's the reason why they fall from the knowledge. And they want to say that they get it from the college. I'm old school, exactly like a partridge. And when I come into this day and age, come with a rage, with a freestyle, with the same of a page. And all these MCs are on the lane. That's the reason why my flow, I always have to spray. Spray it just like a spray can. I beat inside of my mind is that man. And stay stone, I'm looking at a spray can. Spraying everything I beat for the same plan.
Hey, I step to the mic. Hey, I step to the mic. Hey, I step to the mic. And if you got the internet, then just the right. Hey, I step to the mic. Hey, I step to the mic. Hey, I yes, step to the mic. And if you You got the intellect and reckless, you're right.
Making a mic every time I check in the light. So you can see I'm expecting a flow that you never like. Expecting, you don't know what you're making. Expectancy is expecting by the inspection. So it's a just on the smile that I'm making. Showing you there's no inspection. And I'll be doing expecting you. Expecting everything in the section.
Who knows from the mind, done from the golden time. Only showing that I gotta move them down the line. Why did they get connected to the oldest in the mind? Now you're feeling like you want to go and get a shine. Feeling like you're waiting for the moment I was right. But I'm still most of your rappers just like I was older light. But they know that I was born as the illest. Born with the skill and I can show you where the builders be at. It's boom back, bringing it back. People seeing it back, nigga, that this is the way that they really want to adapt. But it's boom back, the truth of rap, never stop with that. People that know and that, we never lack, never stop with that. But I've been kicking it off the box. Tuned out karate, chopping MCs off the hip hop. Niggas off the top, I'm orthodox. They get to popping and they get the chopped out of the chopping blocks.
I'm on the microphone, through the deacon gun. If I make a walking slow, I throw it in the gun.
On the microphone, through the deacon gun. On the microphone, through the deacon gun. On the microphone, through the deacon gun. On the microphone, through the deacon gun.
When I got walking slow, I just throw it in the gun.
I throw it in the bin, yeah, I throw them in the trash. Most boys wanna get men because of taking cash. 2,000 nights, I spark bill and dash. Every time I do it, it's the fun and also the laugh. Too overcast, can't see it's not the south. But you'll be chasing a whole lot of doubt. East, west, north, and south, shouting out loud. Cause you know what we about when we walk in the town. It's hip hop, represent hip hop, represent hip hop, and y'all niggas around the fucking shit. And then everybody wrecking it, know that you respect the hits. Yeah, this is hip hop, you understand?
On the microphone, through the deacon gun.
On the mic, through the deacon gun. On the microphone, through the deacon gun. I said we on the microphone, through the deacon gun. We on the microphone, yeah, through the deacon gun. We on the microphone, through the deacon gun.
If I got walking slow, I throw it in the gun.
Say we on the microphone, through the deacon gun. On the microphone, through the deacon gun. Say we on the microphone, through the deacon gun.
If I got walking slow, I just throw it in the gun. Throw it in the gun. And wait for the trash man to take out the trash can. And that man just came through with another plan. To take out what was my rap plan. My rap plan was writing the page with a rap jam. So I thought to myself, maybe I'm that man. But no, now I thought about another flow I hold. I took the trash out as a reason ago. And was thirsty on the Thursday. But anyway, another place. Then I put my time in the writing. Make sure freestyle has reciting. Freestyle reciting, not reciting what you reciting on this microphone.
When I'm on the microphone, do the deacon gun. I'm on the microphone, do the deacon gun. On the microphone, do the deacon gun.
When I got all these flows, I throw it in the gun.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.